to append elements from another list to the current list, you can use the extend method. The elements in this case will be added to the end of the list. In this example, we added the elements of the fruits2 list to the fruits list. And you can see in this case, all the fruits2 items were added at the end of the fruits list. Now let me show you how to remove the specified item from a list. You can use the remove method or function to remove the specified item from a list. In this example, watermelon was removed from the fruits list. Also, you can use the pop method. The pop method removes the specified index. Let me show you that. You can see the second item has been removed from the fruits list that has index 1. If you don't specify the index, the pop method or function removes the last item by default. Without placing any index inside the brackets of the pop function, the last element will be deleted as you can see. The pop method removed cherry by default. Also, there is another way to delete items using the del keyword. The del keyword also removes the specified index. Exactly as follows. The first element that has index 0 has been deleted as you can see using the del keyword, and you can also delete the entire list using the del keyword. Here we used the del keyword to delete the fruits list, and because we have completely deleted the fruits list, you can't access the list after that because it was deleted. And if you try to access the fruits list after deleting it, you will get name error as you can see. Finally, let me show you how to clear the whole list. Also, you can use the clear method or function to empty the list or to clear the whole list. Now you can see the list called fruits still remains, but it has no content. We just got an empty square brackets. That's it. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I'm here to help you all the time. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.